Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best plastic sign holders available in the market right now. It's the Arrobust 8.5x11 acrylic sign holder. Whether you're setting up displays at a trade show, organizing menus in your restaurant, or showcasing important information at an event, having reliable sign holders is key. Let's see why the Arrobust stands out from the rest.
The Arrobust acrylic sign holder is crafted from high-quality acrylic glass, ensuring durability and a crystal-clear display. It's designed with a T-shaped base for stability and ease of use, making it perfect for various settings like offices, schools, and retail environments.
First off, let's talk about durability. Made from top-grade acrylic, these sign holders are built to last and resist impacts.
They feature a double-sided design, allowing you to display content on both sides.
This is ideal for menus, flyers, and promotional materials.
The easy-to-assemble T-shaped base not only provides stability but also ensures that your signs stay upright and visible. And one of the standout features is the triangular groove design on the base, which not only enhances aesthetics but also prevents slipping and protects your surfaces.
Whether you're a small business owner looking to enhance your storefront or an event organizer needing reliable signage,
the Arrobust acrylic sign holder is versatile and fits various needs.
It's great for trade shows, weddings, receptions, and more.
Now, compared to other similar products, the Arrobust stands out due to its premium build quality and thoughtful design features. While some cheaper options might compromise on durability or stability, the Arrobust maintains a perfect balance of affordability and reliability. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality acrylic sign holder, the Arrobust 8.5x11 model should definitely be on your list. It offers everything you need: durability, clarity, and ease of use at a price that won't break the bank.
If you found this review helpful and you're interested in checking out the Arrobust acrylic sign holder for yourself, I've included a link in the description below where you can find more details and purchase it.
Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this video,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest products.
See you next time.